Hello dear students, welcome to the class today. Children, we are carrying on with our syllabus, the videos that I'm making. Last week, you all have seen, we have completed one chapter in history, where we have talked about the changes in the past 1,000 years. Whole book, what we are studying, a brief idea of that was mentioned in that chapter. We have also understood that the different dynasties that existed and all that thing that we have done. I have made you mark some important things. I have given you some extra questions. So please do that. It will be helping you a lot in understanding the chapter further for the whole year. Got it? Another thing that is very important is we have started with a new chapter in geography, that is chapter 1, environment. Environment, what is to happen in the environment, how the environment changes, the different kinds of environment that exist in our surrounding. We have understood about that. And in this environment, we have understood the complete factors with the help of the story of Ravi, how he has how he was very sad when he saw that the nearby playground, which was near his school, a construction work has started in that place, which had really made them very disturbed, and he was very troubled. Got it? So for that reason, for that purpose, the teacher explained what is environment. So the explanation that we have got for environment is each and everything that is surrounding us. Everything that is surrounding us is included in the environment. Got it? That is place, people, things, nature, that is surrounding any living organism. Any living organism, the area that is surrounding is called as the environment. Now, natural environment is there, human-made environment is there, some environment, some things that it is surrounding us, we have not made it. Nature has given us. Got it? And natural environment is divided into two parts. I will be starting it from here. Natural environment is divided in two parts, biotic and abiotic. Got it? Yes, biotic, as I had already shown you in the pictures that was there, it is the world of living organism. Any living thing on this earth is included in the biotic, and abiotic is the world of non-living. Yes, land, water, these are non-living things. Nature, but nature has given us. हमको nature से ही ये चीजें मिली हैं. Okay, everything that is existing on earth. Now, today what we are talking about, natural environment, and natural environment may we have land, water, air, plants, and animals. Got it? Comprise the natural environment. Nahi. Got it? So when we are talking about this, the nature, the natural factors that are there, in this natural factor, how the environment is getting affected. Can we survive without land, without water, without air, without plants? No. It's so important for our survival. So we will be understanding that natural environment is including all these things. And in this, we will be understanding it through different sections. That is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Got it? Now, section wise, I mean in different sections, in different categories, we will be discussing it. सबसे पहले हम किसके बारे में बात करेंगे? The first one that we will be trying to understand, children, that is the lithosphere. Got it? So let's discuss about lithosphere. What actually is lithosphere? Okay. Here, please understand the topmost layer of the earth. We have the whole earth. इसमें the topmost layer that is there, that is lithosphere. So the topmost layer of earth. सबसे ऊपर का, the hard surface that is there, that is included in lithosphere. Got it, children? Then you have, अब इसमें क्या क्या चीजें मिलती हैं? Topmost layer of earth. What do we find in this? In this layer, we are finding rocks, minerals, and soil. So, in this layer, we find rocks, minerals, and soil. ये जो मिट्टी है, ये भी इसी लेयर में हमको मिलती है. आप सोचो अगर ये लेयर नहीं हो तो, if this layer is not there, we can't live. Plants कहाँ grow करेंगे? Plants are growing on the soil. So that makes lithosphere very important. I mean, it is one of the most important layers of the earth. We need to understand it in this manner. Got it? And बहुत ही उबड़ खाबड़ है. It's a very irregular surface. बहुत तरीके के many types of landforms are there. It is a very irregular surface. अभी खाली irregular surface ही नहीं है, इसमें we have the mountains, the plateaus, plains, valley. There are various landforms. There are various landforms. अलग अलग तरीके के landforms आपको इसमें मिलेंगे on this surface. क्या क्या है वो? We have the mountains, पहाड़ हैं इसी पे, plateaus, got it? Plains, valley. Landforms means हर जगह प्लेन नहीं ना है, कहीं पे पहाड़ है, कहीं पे पठार है. Plateaus in Hindi is called as पठार. ठीक है, ऐसे it came to my mind, ऐसे ही मेरे दिमाग में आ गया तो इसीलिए मैंने इसको डिस्कस कर लिया. Got it? Now what happens is landforms, ये जो तरीके तरीके के landforms हैं, पूरे कॉन्टिनेंट में it is a spread. All over the continent it is there and on the ocean floor also. समुद्र के ऊपर भी कुछ ना कुछ हमको चीजें मिलती हैं. And this is what is lithosphere all about. Landforms are found over the continent and on the ocean floor also. समुद्र की सतह पे भी लैंडफॉर्म्स नहीं है कुछ, मतलब जो द आइलैंड्स दैट आर देयर, कुछ छोटे छोटे टापू हैं. ओके, अब अगर लिथोस्फीयर, इमेजिन इफ द लिथोस्फीयर इज नॉट देयर, अगर लिथोस्फीयर नहीं होगा देन वी विल बी नॉट हैविंग आवर फॉरेस्ट, जंगल नहीं होंगे, ग्रास लैंड फॉर ग्रेजिंग, इतने सारे जानवर हैं, गाय, भेड़, बकरी, खाना इनको कहां से मिलेगा? They are getting from the grazing lands. We won't be getting land for agriculture. and human settlement. खेती कहाँ होगी? दाल चावल ये जो हम खाते हैं, all this is happening on this surface only, which is found on the lithosphere. So all the minerals that are there on this earth, the mineral intake that we are taking, ये जितना भी minerals हम ले रहे हैं, this is all available on the lithosphere. Got it, children? So lithosphere provides us forest, ठीक है, forests, grasslands for grazing, जानवरों के लिए ग्रेजिंग. यस, करोड़ों इंसान है तो लाखों जानवर भी है ना, उनका खाना कहां से आएगा? गॉड हैज मेड अरेंजमेंट फॉर एवरीथिंग. भगवान ने हमको सब कुछ दिया है. गॉट इट? इट्स जस्ट दैट वी यूटिलाइज इट प्रॉपरली. अच्छे से यूज करना है, ओवर यूज नहीं करना है. जब हम ओवर यूज करने के लगते हैं ना, तो गॉड ऑल्सो गेट्स एंग्री. भगवान भी नाराज हो जाते हैं. यस, एंड जब भगवान नाराज होते हैं तो पता क्या होता है? अर्थक्वेक आती है, फ्लड आता है. या ये आगे यू विल बी स्टार्टिंग इट इन क्लासेस 9th and 10th. आगे चल के जब आप पढ़ेंगे ना, तब आप इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ओके. लैंड लिथोस्फीयर, हमारे पास फॉरेस्ट है. ग्रास लैंड्स आर देयर फॉर ग्रेजिंग, लैंड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. गॉट इट? एंड ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स. हम रहते कहाँ हैं? वी आर स्टेइंग ऑन लिथोस्फीयर. ओके, गॉट इट? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारा घर कहां पे है. वी आर स्टेइंग ऑन द लिथोस्फीयर. लॉट ऑफ मिनरल वेल्थ इज ऑल्सो देयर. अब लैंड जितना भी है, ऑल द लैंड दैट इज देयर इज लिथोस्फीयर. लैंड के ऊपर वॉट एवर इज अवेलेबल इज लिथोस्फीयर. नाउ लैंड के बाद सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? लैंड नहीं होगा तो हम तो हवा में उड़ने लगेंगे ना. वी विल बी फ्लाइंग लाइक वी डू नॉट हैव लैंड ऑन द मून. तो वहां पे लोग फ्लाई करते हैं एंड प्लस देयर इज वी हैव लैंड ऑन मून, लेकिन वहां ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स नहीं है. गॉट इट? देन यू हैव वाटर बॉडी दैट इज हाइड्रोस्फीयर. ठीक है, एवरीथिंग दैट इज फाउंड इन वाटर. ठीक है, ऑल सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर इज फाउंड ऑन हाइड्रोस्फीयर. जितना भी वाटर है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इज फाउंड ऑन हाइड्रोस्फीयर. गॉट इट? अब क्या होता है, यहां पे बहुत तरीके के पानी है. पानी हमको कहां से मिल रहा है? ऑल द water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans, sea. Rivers, lakes, oceans, seas, etc. It is very important for all the living organism. जितने भी living organism हैं, it is very important for them. It is very important for all living organism. Got it? Every living thing on this earth, they require hydrosphere. And इसके बिना, पानी के बिना, तो you know it very well, we cannot survive without water. And then the next one that is there is atmosphere. Atmosphere, children, I'll be showing it to you in the book itself. Once I'll be showing it to you in the book. Atmosphere में कुछ good diagrams are also there. Got it? So let's see these diagrams and let's enjoy the chapter. Come, let's see it, children, from the book itself.
Dear students, just now we have discussed about environment, and one of the major things that we have discussed about environment is the natural environment. Children, before that, before discussing the natural environment, I would like to say that all these pictures that are here, these pictures have to be, the explanations that are given in these pictures, children, you need to note it down. Please note down the explanations that are given in these pictures. Got it, children? In your notebook. Whichever notebook you have made, please make it sure that you are noting down all these informations. Okay, children, this is again environment. एक तो biotic and abiotic I had shown you. Then you have to also make the diagram of the components of earth. Of course, this I have told you in the last video. I just wanted to tell you कि these meanings that are there, these words that are there, please note it down. Got it? Then you have to write about environment. ठीक है, where did this word environment come from? What is the base of this word environment? It has come from the French word environner. Got it? And environner means neighborhood. Environment is not an English word. Please understand, it's a French terminology. In French language, environment is there, जिसमें कि we talk about environment, and environ means neighborhood. The neighborhood that is environ that is there, you need to understand about it properly. Got it? Okay. Next thing that is there is, we have talked about lithosphere today. Of course, I have explained it, but once I wanted you to mark it in the book itself. This is a very nice activity that is there. I would request you to do this activity, that is, look at your surroundings. आप जहाँ भी रहते हैं, wherever you stay, wherever you live, just make a list of uses, जितना भी इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, that the land is there in the neighborhood is being put to. आसपास की जगह पे जो neighborhood है, the land that is there, how the land has been used. Got it? Please remember that how the things have been used, how the land has been used. If there is any agricultural land, कितने लोग आप लोग इस समय गांव में होंगे, तो agricultural land में what is the work that is happening, you can definitely note it down. Okay, lithosphere, children, lithosphere में yes, rocks and soil is there. There are mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, all these things are there. And then landforms that are found over the continent and over the ocean floor, that is also important. Lithosphere में क्या है कि जहाँ पे where we are staying, at that place we are getting forests. आपको ये सब चीज़ें याद करनी है. Forest, grassland, land for agriculture, human settlement, and all the mineral that is there. Mineral, yes, iron, copper, zinc, these are all the minerals that are found in the lithosphere. And these minerals are very important. इसके बिना भी तो काम नहीं चल सकता. क्या हम आयरन के बिना काम कर सकते हैं? Can we work without copper? Can we work without bronze? It's practically not possible. Okay, then ये एक diagram है. You have to make this diagram. Very beautifully it has been shown on the earth. मतलब पूरी earth पे where do we find all these structures, all these places? That is the lithosphere, the biosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. गॉट इट। तो ये जो सारी चीज़ें हमको मिल रही हैं in the on this earth, it is very clearly shown on the globe. एक अर्थ बना के उसके ऊपर इट हैज बीन शोन द डोमेन्स ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट। डोमेन्स मीन्स द एरियाज ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट। एनवायरनमेंट में क्या क्या चीज़ें हमको मिलती हैं। What are the things that we get in the environment? That is what is called as domain. Okay. Then, yes, children, we have also discussed about it. I just wanted to bring it to your notice that hydrosphere में क्या क्या है. It is the water resources. All the water that is available in this earth is included in hydro. Children, ये देख लीजिए, the rivers, the lakes, the sea, the ocean, all of this is included in the hydrosphere. Got it? Then we have the atmosphere. Atmosphere में there is thin layer of air. It is surrounding the earth, and then there is gravitational force which is holding the atmosphere around it. Atmosphere को which is holding, that is the gravitational pull. You know gravitation, you know now, the magnetic force that is surrounding our earth, जिसकी वजह से we are, otherwise अगर ये gravitational force is not there, if the gravitational pull is not there, तो हम हवा में उड़ रहे होते. It is just because of the gravitational force that we are stick to the land, to the earth. Got it? So atmosphere is very important. Whatever is surrounding us, we need to understand कि air के बिना life is not possible, my dear students. And then you have the gravitational force that is holding the atmosphere around us, and thus it is protecting us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. A lot of gases are there. Dust is there, water vapor is there. All of these, the changes that are occurring in the atmosphere is the changes in the weather and the climate. Changes that is there in the atmosphere, it is producing because according to the change in the atmosphere, ये जो ऊपर में हवा में जो changes होते हैं, all the change that is happening on this the air, it is changing the weather and the climate. इतनी गर्मी पड़ रही है, इतनी ठंडी पड़ रही है. All these things are related to atmosphere. Children, yes, please note it down. इसके बाद अभी हमने क्या क्या पढ़ लिया? We have read about lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. अभी क्या बच रहा है? Yes, dear students, it is the biosphere. Got it? अब ये biosphere क्या है? Biosphere is plant and animal kingdom. It is together making biosphere. ये जो living world है, all this world that is there, all the air that is surrounding us, it is all biosphere. Narrow zone of the earth, बहुत पतला सा है, ठीक है, वेरी नैरो जोन जहां पे लैंड, वाटर एंड एयर इंटरैक्ट, एक साथ इंटरैक्शन होता है लैंड का, वाटर का एंड एयर का. These interactions that happen, it is together making biosphere. Got it, children? So life cannot run without the air, the water and the land. इन तीनों के इंटरैक्शन से ही हमारी लाइफ चल रही है. Our life is running because of the interaction of all these three domains. Yes, we have point and that is called as domains. ये सारे डोमेन जब इंटरैक्ट करते हैं तो our life goes on in a very smooth manner. Got it, children? Please remember that. Now, आपको जो explanation, next explanation that you have to write down is the explanation of ecosystem. अब प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज इकोसिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम में क्या होता है? देयर इज अ सिस्टम, इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द इंटरैक्शन ऑफ जितने भी ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट आर देयर ऑन दिस अर्थ. ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट आर देयर, when they are interacting with each other, then a very nice system, a very nice ecosystem is formed. And there are physical factors, there are chemical factors and of the environment जिसमें कि ये रहते हैं. It is क्या होता है कि ecosystem is formed where the human beings are staying, the environment is there and all the living organisms जो हैं, whichever is breathing, जो सांस ले, all these organisms are interacting with each other and there are physical and chemical factors in this environment जिसमें ये which they are living, all are linked by transfer of energy and material. एक दूसरे को एनर्जी ट्रांसफर करते हैं. Got it? The energy is transferred, the life is transferred. कैसे ये काम करता है? A story is given here that how the ecosystem functions. Come, let's understand this story. अब क्या हुआ? Again we are talking about the story of Ravi. Ravi क्या होता है? He was attending the class में he was attending. तो जैसी जो है the friend of Ravi, जैसी exclaim मतलब वो जैसी अचानक से चिल्लाया. He shouted. क्या? What a heavy downpour. इतनी तेज बारिश. Downpour means बारिश. Downpour is the another name for rains. बारिश. Downpour मतलब ऊपर से बारिश हो रही, ऊपर से पानी नीचे गिर रहा है. Downpour. So he's saying, Jesse is saying कि मुझे अपने घर की याद आ रही है. I am being reminded of it reminds me of my home in Kerala. Jesse belongs to Kerala. Kerala state, you know, yes. Jesse वहाँ को belong करता है. He is saying कि आप आइए, you come and see. He is inviting his friends. He is inviting his friends कि you all come and see कितनी बारिश होती है. How it pours and pours and pours means बारिश हो रही है, हो रही है, हो रही है. It's raining heavily, heavily, heavily. Got it? So when these rains are happening, when this rain is happening continuously, तो क्या होता है? There are lush green fields. केरला में बहुत हरियाली है. Yes, actually Kerala is very green. So he is saying डाउनपोर डाउनपोर डाउनपोर, बारिश हो रही है, हो रही है, हो रही है. इसके वजह से क्या होता है? फील्ड्स आर वेरी ग्रीन, बहुत ही हरा भरा रहता है. एंड देयर इज कोकोनट प्लांटेशंस, नारियल के पेड़ लगे हुए हैं. सो हीरा इज फ्रॉम जैसलमेर. अभी तो देखो जैसी इज फ्रॉम केरला. रवि के फ्रेंड्स हैं. रवीज फ्रेंड्स आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया के अलग अलग जगहों से रवि के फ्रेंड्स आए हुए हैं. एंड ही सेइंग कि भाई तुम्हारे केरला में तो बहुत बारिश होती है, हमारे जैसलमेर इज इन राजस्थान. एक्चुअली इट्स इन राजस्थान. सो ही सेइंग कि वी गेट नो रेन्स. हमारे यहाँ बारिश बिल्कुल नहीं होती है. हमारे यहाँ खाली किक्कर नजर आता है. किक्कर एक कांटे वाला ना पौधा होता है. किक्कर ना एक कांटा, उसमें बहुत इट्स अ वेरी थॉर्नी बुश. बिल्कुल ऐसा झाड़ है कि उसमें बहुत बड़े बड़े कांटे होते हैं. तो क्या होता है कि किक्कर नजर आता है, बालू नजर आता है. एंड जहां तक देखो, एज फार एज द आईज कैन सी, एंड यू कैन फाइंड कैमल्स. ठीक है, एक तो यू आर पूरा सूखा पड़ा रहता है चारों तरफ, एंड दूर दूर तक देखोगे तो अगेन अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर इज देयर. सो हीरा सेज कि नॉट जस्ट कैमल्स, अगर डेजर्ट जाएंगे तो आपको स्नेक, लिजर्ड और भी बहुत सारे जानवर मिलेंगे. गॉट इट. दिस इज वॉट इज देयर कॉन्वर्सेशन. इनकी कहानी आधी अभी मैं यहीं छोड़ रही हूँ. रेस्ट स्टोरी वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू.